And now, with Hurry Up Tomorrow, his so-called final album, he's going out in the most weekend way possible.
Cool, right? That was all done by AI. Since album review channels are super popular and they are all very long form, there is a great gap in the market for the album review shorts niche. So let's dive right in. First of all, we need to determine what album we want to review. Since The Weeknd has a new album, we will do that. Now, we could write the review ourselves, but we are too lazy to listen to all the songs and then write an entire script. So we will simply search for an already existing review on Google. Now copy the text and go to ChatGPT and ask, I have an album review channel and I need you to give me a 1-minute script for the voiceover. I will give you 2 different reviews and you need to merge it and make it one. Here is the first one, and after reading it say OK and now paste the review. Okay, now find another review, copy it and paste it into ChatGPT. Now finally write the 1-minute voice-over script like I told you in the beginning. Perfect, there is our script. Now copy the script and go to an AI text-to-speech generator like 11 Labs. Pick a voice from the voice library or use one you already own. Add the script and generate the audio.
The Weeknd has never been one for subtlety. He built a career on excess, drugs, sex, and self-destruction.
Amazing, let's download it. Now add it to CapCut. Now delete the boring pauses. And additionally, I want it to be just under 1 minute. Now next we need to gather the footage for the video. Let's first go to Google and download some of The Weeknd images related to the new album release and the album cover itself. Now next, we will go to YouTube and download music videos and trailers from the new album. I will use the 4K video downloader, but you can use any other program. Add it to CapCut. Remove the audio. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Zoom in. Now you need to cut all the content in pieces, and then you need to randomize them and put it together to create transformative content and fall under fair use. Additionally, I will also download some older The Weeknd music videos for the intro of our video. I will zoom all the videos a bit more in. Now add transitions and even animations if you like. Generate the captions and choose a nice template. As for the background music, you could use some The Weeknd instrumental, since you can do that with the YouTube Shorts program, but I will use a copyright-free song from the YouTube audio library. Finally, add some filters. When you are done, export it in 4K. Before I am going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own album review shorts with AI. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.
The Weeknd has never been one for subtlety. He built a career on excess, drugs, sex, and self-destruction, wrapped in cinematic grandeur. And now, with Hurry Up Tomorrow, his so-called final album, he's going out in the most Weeknd way possible, drowning in opulence, misery, and synths that could fill an IMAX theater. This 22-track odyssey is part thriller, part existential crisis. It's a swirling mix of Brazilian funk, electropop, and ghostly ballads, all circling one haunting night in 2022, when he lost his voice mid-show. He fixates on that moment, spiraling through themes of fame, fatigue, and the fear of fading away. But beneath the grandeur, the message is simple. The Weeknd is tired. Tired of touring, tired of fame, tired of himself. And yet, as he kills his persona, the album loops back to where it all began, proving that some cycles never really end. Hurry Up Tomorrow isn't just a goodbye, it's a full circle moment, a neon-drenched farewell to the chaos he created.
Oh,